folks, I have a tenor ukulele to show you today. This is number 950. And this is actually, a customer bought this for a friend, which is really nice of him. The back and sides are, I think, horse chestnut. I got this wood from Chris from Yodel Boy Woodworks. And he was told it was horse chestnut. He told me that. I've been Googling trying to figure it out, and yeah, it might be, might not, I don't know. But basically, this kind of works partway between myrtle and maple. It's really nice. It's got those curly desert vibes, which we like. And I paired it with a hemlock top. And this is some of that hemlock that's been thermally modified. It's a good top wood. It's like nice and mellow and dark like cedar, but it's got a little snap to it, which I like. Got some crazy grafted sapwoody pistachio here for the front. And then hemlock for the neck with a little walnut stripe. So I really like this is what I call, this color palette, I call this my high desert color palette. And if you've ever been out to like the John Day fossil beds or anything out in eastern Oregon, you know what I'm talking about. So this one's got a pickup, it's got a low G on it, and it's just a really great uke. Yeah, it's got a good present voice, but it's not too loud or bright, which I think is a good balance. So there it is, 950. Cheers.